Asana Tutorial 2024, a project management tutorial for beginners. Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're delving into the intricacies of Asana, which is a versatile project management tool that can help you streamline your workflow and enhance your collaboration. So Asana is really designed to help your team members and your business organize their work, track their projects, and stay on top of their game and their deadlines effectively. So Asana really operates around the concept of workspaces and projects. Workspaces serve as this overarching containers for your tasks and projects, allowing you to, collaborate seamlessly with your team. Projects, on the other hand, are where you can organize and manage specific tasks that are related to particular goal or initiatives that you have. Now let's embark on a detailed exploration of how you can make the most out of Asana for your project management needs. Let's start. And to begin, let's head over onto the website, which is asana.com. And here you're going to simply get started. If you have an account, you can already log in, but I'm going to sign up quickly. I'm going to sign up with my Google Work account, or you can also sign up with your company's email. I'm going to sign up with Google because it's easier that way. Let's continue on with it. You see, the sign up process is pretty simple. Just like its interface, it's pretty easy to sign up and use Asana. So now that I'm here, I've signed up. It asks me for my full name. I'm going to go ahead and enter that. And you can also add in a photo if you'd like and simply click on continue. And then they ask you for your primary role so they can really personalize your account for yourself. I am going to be, let's go over with this one and simply click continue. Project management is what we're here for. So we're going to take that. Operations, and yeah, that's it. Then we click on continue. Since I'm gonna write project management and click on continue. What are the few tasks that you have to do for your project management? Let's just say brainstorm ideas, schedule the meeting, and share ideas with my members, and click on continue. These are just three basic tasks that I just had over my head and just entered it. You can be really creative with it and type down the tasks that are really important for your business. Let's continue off with this. And how would you like the layout to be? Would it be a calendar view, a board, a list, or have a timeline? I do like a timeline, so it gives you an idea of how long things are working around. Calendar works really well as well, a board too, but let's go with the Kanban board and click on continue. You can enter your other team members' emails, so they can log in on Asana and work along with you, but we'll go ahead and continue that and skip this for now. And here we have entered the dashboard. And another thing about Asana is that it offers you a really large amount of time for trial period. It's a 30-day trial period, so you have really good access to pretty much all their paid features, portfolios, and so much more. And once the trial period ends, all you can do is simply continue with Asana personal plan that can be free, or you can upgrade it depending upon your choices. So let's get started. This is how your dashboard looks like. This is your home, and here is my tasks. Here is the inbox. So this is where all of our stuff is going to begin. Once you click on my tasks area, this is where they basically personalized what we entered along before. Now let's familiarize ourselves with the Asana interface. It's really easy. On to the left, we have the sidebar that is featuring our tasks, projects, inboxes, home, insights, reporting, portfolios, goals, start items, anything that is really important for you. And here's a project. Our first project is a project management one. This is your team. Here you can create your own workspace by inviting your team or creating the project. The workspace currently we have is the one of the project management one, and I don't have any of the teammates invited, but you can simply click on invite teammates and enter the emails, and they're going to be invited, sent to their email. Now let's go over with onto the right hand side. This is just our profile, the admin console, where you can create a new workspace, invite people to Asana, go and work over with your settings onto your own profile, or also add another account, and just basically choose to log out as well. Now we are here onto tasks. This is the task. I can view it in multiple different views, like the list one we have here. It's not really very appealing to me. I go over more with the board. This is the board one. In case it's done, you can simply drag and drop it to do today, or you can do to next week, do later, or I can simply work with adding another section as well here by scrolling all the way here and adding another section. This is in process. I can add this board here, and I can put the board right here next to recently assigned, so I have an idea of the tasks being assigned already, but are they in progress or not? Are they done today or not? Let's just say this one, brainstorming the ideas, is really important and I want it to be done today itself. I'll put it in this board. And the one that is scheduling the meeting, this is not that important. You can do it later, but this is the one that I'd like to give more priority to. And let's just say another one of my team member is already done with this. Let's add another section that it stays done and ready for you review. I've added this one. I'll put this right here next to in progress. And let's just say one of my team members already done with this one and it says done and ready for review right here. And I can just simply, as an admin, view that and like it to acknowledge the fact that, yeah, I've seen that you've done the task. So this is how we're, organizing our tasks within the project by using sections and columns. I can simply add more tasks into this column and I can, add a due date for it. The task name could be add in thumbnails to the video. And I can add a due date. It could be 13th and I can simply add this task here. And onto the customize option right here is where I can customize how my board looks like. I can add a completed on, add a last modified on, so I know when someone's modified. I can add in rules. These are the fields, right? I can also add in apps and integrate them with my board. Let's move on to the rules here. Here, add a rule to get your work done automatically. The rule is if there is due date is approaching, you can move a certain task to important right here. So let's just say, let's establish this rule so it's easy for your employees to work with it. You see, there's so many different options for you to customize and make really the most out of it, and not having to do so many repetitive tasks on your own. Another rule that I can add in here by clicking on rule is task or all subtasks completion status is changed for them to receive a message that the task is completed or not. Let's run on this. This can be done by connecting my Asana to Slack. I can't publish this rule, but you can do that if you have your Slack connected over and integrated. Now that we're done with this, let's head over and look into our insights. Let's go over with the reporting first. And into the reporting, here is where we can view data and idea of our dashboard in real time. This is where I can know these are total tasks assigned and aligned. These are the incompleted tasks as of now. These are the overdue tasks. These are the complete tasks. So you have an idea of how well your employees and team members are working and if they're collaborating well or not. You can add in multiple different charts like project by status, incomplete task project. You can have goals by your teams. You can set in deadlines for this month or for the project, or set up projects by portfolio, or you can have tasks by creator where you can have a specific chart view of tasks completed by different team members. So you have an idea of which employee is giving out their best. There's also work health, so you have an idea to add in that chart. Let me just quickly add another chart like that. Goals by team. Let me create it. You can choose a chart style. You can totally customize the colors. It could be in lines, column, donut, numbers, and even lollipops. I'll go with the donut. Report on the goals or tasks like this, and it should include tasks from your team portfolio. It's my workspace as of now. You can choose to see what do you want the x-axis to display, what do you want the y-axis to display, and you can also add in filters and really customize it to your liking. And once you're done with that, simply click on create and you'll have another task added right here. As of now, we have 3 tasks and 3 tasks are we're currently being worked upon. Now that is done, let's head over to portfolios. Here we can monitor and status team member workload across multiple projects. Let's explore that first. As of here, I can have a first portfolio showing up my timeline, my dashboard, my progress, the workload, as well as the messages. It's really cool that I can have everything under one roof. And I can see that in a list. I can add in works and also check out the workload or the direct messages that are coming up. Now let's move on to goals. Here I can add top level goals, things that are really at high priority for me and my team by clicking on add a goal. The first goal could be to make 10 sales with XYZ company, and the time period could be this much. And if this, you can assign this to specific tasks to specific members. Let's work with that and add in that goal. On add, and this is the other workspace goal. You can simply select the status that it's offering, if it's on track, if it's on on risk, or you can also choose to close it. As of now, this is on track, and you can also enter the details that how is this goal progressing, are there any key accomplishments or critical risks to share, so you know your team members or your other partner knows what to work on, what we've accomplished, a basic brief summary of everything, and just simply add in recipients or simply post that in. You can also ask them to remind you to update the status weekly or daily, bi-weekly, monthly, or quarterly, and you can choose to see which people would be notified about this one and simply click on post. And that way you have your workspace goals also selected and updated right here. Now this is really cool how, Asana offers so much of project management tools and makes your project managing so easy because it thrives in really good collaboration between you and your team members. So to keep communication within one platform, to avoid, scattered information and ensure everything here is under one roof. To monitor that project, and you can leverage Asana and keep track of everything that you have. Here's your workspace, and I guess that's it for this video. As we conclude our exploration, remember that Asana offers advanced features like your project portfolios, your goals, and also your automation. These features can further enhance your project management experience. So for more in-depth information, you can, about the paid options, you can simply just upgrade your billing information and change your subscription because this is the free one. And I hope this video helps you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like and a comment and also subscribe. Until next time.